Hello, here we will present you the 3DLean, the new experience of DELMIA, which combines the 3D experience platform with a big touchscreen technology. Here we want to address all the operational management meetings, such as the 5-minute meeting at the beginning of the shift, the management meeting, the continuous improvement meeting, or the solving problem meeting, or the kind of meeting that is performed on the shop floor. Here to illustrate this 3DLean, we will perform the 5-minute meeting with the team leader. So I will be the team leader and we will see how we could use the 3DLean. So my first step will be to prepare the agenda of the meeting. Then we will animate the 5-minute meeting with a production shift. And we will see that we will send an action to the quality department. So we will change our role. I won't be the production team leader, but I will be the quality department, and we will see how we can manage also 3DLean in the support function. So let's start. I am the production team leader. I'm preparing the agenda of the meeting. So to prepare the agenda, I will select the topic that I want to discuss during the 5-minute meeting. So first, we will check who is present today. Then we will dispatch the people on their workstation. And we will focus on our safety KPI and on our quality KPI. To conclude the meeting, we will focus on our action log to dispatch the action on all the people. So here we get the agenda of the meeting. Here we can select the duration of the meeting, so 5 minutes is my target for this meeting. Now we can start the animation of the 5-minute meeting. So, who is present today? Hubert is present today, Jeanne is present today, Royce is present, and Adelaide is present. Okay. Now let's dispatch all the people on the workstation. So here, Adelaide, you will go on the assembly line. Hubert, you will go with Adelaide. Jeanne, you will go on the packaging line. And Royce, you will go on the machining line. I would like you, Adelaide, to pay attention to Hubert because he is a newcomer, so I would like you to pay attention and to help him to be his buddy during the production shift. If he has any question about quality or safety, I would like you to help him. Now, let's switch to our safety quality KPI. And we observe that yesterday we get one near-miss accident. One operator didn't respect the lifting rules, so we have to take an action. The action will be to review the lifting rules by all the team. So we take the action and we keep it on the graph to remind that we took the action. Now let's switch to our quality KPI, and we observed yesterday again a bad result on our quality, so we will ask the support to the quality department, and we will ask them to make the analysis, to analyze the quality deviation. Okay, now let's switch to our action log, and here we get the action that we took during the meeting. So the first one, review the lifting rules. We decide the delay for today, tomorrow, for this week, so it's about safety, so we have to do this for today. And Adelaide, I want you to be the owner of this action. Now the analysis of the quality deviation, we will send it to the quality department, so another team. And here we send it to the quality department. So now this is the end of the 5-minute meeting, but before closing the meeting, we will take the time together to review the lifting rules in order to close this action. So to review the lifting rules, here we get access to the video through this board, and here we get the top 10 lifting rules, so to remind what are the best practice to avoid any risk of accident. So now, this is the end of the 5-minute meeting. Everybody knows what they have to do, where do they have to work. So now everybody is going back to their workstation and we close the 5-minute meeting. Now let's switch. I'm not anymore the team leader, production team leader, and now I'm the quality department. So I'm changing the environment. And here we are in the quality team environment. And here in the action log of the quality department, we receive the action sent by the production team. So as a quality department, we will assign a delay for this action. So let's decide that we will do this action for tomorrow, and we will assign this action to Benoit. Benoit will be the owner of this action. So in mirror, in the production team action log, they will get the position of the sticky note, and they will know that it will be done for tomorrow by Benoit. Now let's switch for Benoit, how he could use 3DLean also to help him to perform the solving problem meeting. So let's see how he could create a dedicated board for this action. So to do this, we will create a new board, and we will build the environment for this analysis. So we will use one KPI to follow the deviation of this quality. We will use a sketch, and I put it in big size because in this environment we will perform the brainstorm meeting and the analysis meeting. Here we will put one player video to maybe to get access to the best practice or best methodology to perform this kind of analysis. And here we'll use the web page to display any kind of page coming from the net or from a third party to get access to the information and to take decision. So here you see how we easily build a dedicated board for the team to perform the solving problem meeting. So to conclude, here we wanted to demonstrate through this experience three main compelling values for 3DLean. The first one is to digitize the lean practices for your people. The second value is to deliver the full empowerment of your team, to improve the way to animate the meeting, to get their empowerment to perform the action, to solve the action, to propose continuous improvement ideas. And the third one is to create a digital continuity across organizational barrier. It means how to allow and facilitate the collaboration between all the teams through the 3D experience platform. Thank you.